this week. I hope you enjoyed it, and as always, I hope you try it in your own home. For the tips and tricks recipes this week, I don't have a lot, but I'll share with you what I do have. First of all, pairings. This goes really well with taco soups, stews, or chilies. It also goes well with fried fish, so you can really make this your own, put it with whatever you want. If you want it with something else, go ahead and make it and eat it with that. In the topping sections, I would just say I did butter and syrup. That's just my preference. It is a pretty sweet cornbread, so you really don't need the syrup, but I do like it. And then the other things that you can add on it would be jams or peanut butter, any sweet butters. It just would really bring out a nice flavor to it. For this week, that's really all I have for the tips and tricks. I guess one more thing would just be when you warm up the ramekins in the oven, the reason that you're doing that is to melt the butter and warm up the ramekins. So when you pour in your cornbread mixture into the individual ramekins, the outside cornbread gets a little bit crispy from that hot butter and it starts cooking it. And that's all I have for this week. Let me know what you think. And as always, if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button and I'll post another video next week.